The 2017 Chevrolet Equinox Redline Edition. Chevrolet first introduced the midsize Equinox crossover in 2004, rolling out a variety of additional trim levels and even a special Winter Olympic Games-themed model throughout the course of the first generation's lifecycle. In 2009, the second-generation Equinox debuted at the North American International Auto Show in Detroit with a 2.4-liter inline four-cylinder engine as standard and an available 3.0-liter V6. Finally, the latest third generation was introduced on September 22 of last year with 3 engine choices, forward collision warning, and support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for the infotainment system. At the moment, the Equinox is Chevy's second best-selling model, which means it was shoe-in for the recent rash of Redline special editions introduced at this year's Chicago Auto Show. Upgrades include just a few tweaks here and there for the styling, while the rest of the car's mechanicals and interior remain unaltered. The 2018 Equinox Redline Edition takes inspiration from the Redline product preview first shown in Las Vegas for the 2015 SEMA show. All the upgrades can be found on the exterior, including in the nose, where a new grille with a diamond pattern insert and black finish sits front and center. Moving to the sides, you'll also find the blackout treatment added to the side view mirror covers, while in the corners sit large 19-inch wheels, also with a black finish. The rear windows continue the theme with an inky black tint, while the various Chevy bowtie badges are also blacked out. The Equinox Redline package is offered with the mid-grade LT trim level. Joining the model in Chicago are equal treatments for the Cruze, Malibu, Camaro, Trax, Traverse, Colorado, and Silverado. Each of the new Redline models will be available by the end of the year, with the Equinox Redline Edition slated to hit dealerships by October. Continue reading to learn more about the Chevrolet Equinox Redline Edition. What makes the Chevrolet Equinox Redline Edition special? While a Redline edition for the Camaro seems about right, it's a little questionable for a model like the Equinox. Sure, the upgrades don't look bad, per se, but they don't really look spectacular either. In fact, if I'm being honest, it's all rather too mild for my taste. With a name like Redline, you'd expect something big and bold, something that screams maximum RPMs and ultimate speed. Instead, this is pretty much more of the same. We've seen the blackout exterior components approach used for previous special editions, and this one in particular fails to impress. It seems like Chevy is just spraying black paint here and there to see if they can get customers to drop a little extra cash in the hopes they'll stand out from the crowd. And given the success rates of these sorts of special edition models, I wouldn't be surprised if it sells. As a reminder, the Equinox LT comes standard with a 7.0-inch touchscreen, Sirius XM radio, HID headlights, heated side view mirrors, 17-inch aluminum wheels, and an 8-way power-adjusting driver's seat. A seat heating function, dual-zone climate control, and panoramic sunroof are optional. Under the hood is a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 170 horsepower and 203 pound-feet of torque, all of which is routed to the front axle through a 6-speed automatic transmission. An AWD drivetrain is offered as an available option.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.